Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark's Supply Company. Today it is cold. It's the 13th of January here. We got snow on the ground. It finally wintered up. This is the first video that we've made of 2025. So here what we have for you today is a 2021 Kioti DK4210 Hydrostatic tractor. Loader backhoe package. So this was actually a trade-in from the end of December. I had a JCB 1CXT here, which is a miniature rubber track backhoe loader. Gentleman up in New York purchased this from his Kioti dealer as a demo. The tractor was, and he purchased last year a brand new Kioti KB2485 subframe backhoe mounting kit for it, everything, and put on the tractor, and decided he wanted something more like a skid loader with a backhoe on it. So we had that fit the bill. We traded this in. It is an absolutely like new tractor. If you're in the market for this size of tractor, this is something to take a look at. 123 hours. I did my homework and due diligence, and I made some phone calls. This tractor is indeed a 2021. Tractor has full warranty, bumper to bumper, until January 22nd of 2025, which is coming up in a few weeks. Tractor has on it, it was an extended powertrain warranty program, so anything that touches oil, as the Kioti dealer told me, so your engine, transmission, axles, anything again that touches oil, cylinders, that kind of thing, is good until January 22nd of 2029. So you've got 4 years of warranty there. Engine, powertrain, hydraulic system. Emissions warranty is good until 1/22 of 2028. And basically what he told me is then that emissions is a little longer with that extended powertrain warranty that this tractor has. Fully transferable to the new owner. Tractor will come with 2 keys, 2 things I do not have. Gentleman did not know what he did with the top link. He was to see if he had it, send it to me. I have not received it yet. I am going to follow up with him, but if I don't get it, you're not going to get it. I don't have a book for it. So that is 2 things you'll have to source, which they are online, the books and manuals. So what I done, I went ahead and I grabbed a complete Kioti filter kit, which was nice, right from our local dealer, and we changed everything. We have marked our filters, all 122 hours MSC. You'll see that written on everything. Stands for Mark's Supply Company. Rear tires are loaded with beet juice, rim guard they call it. That is the brand name that's in those. Again, like brand new backhoe attachment on it, actually has the serial number and sticker still here for the pad feet. It like new backhoe attachment. Skid steer, 2-pin skid loader attach coupler up front. Does also already have a front remote kit right on your joystick for running a grapple or some sort of attachment that you want to run. It has that availability, power angle snowplow. And it does have a set of rear remotes in the rear that obviously the backhoe runs off of. But if you're going to run a 3-point hitch implement, you have a set of rear remotes also. So we're going to take this time right now quickly, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the hood, show you underneath the hood real quick. This has a folding front grill guard. We're just going to pull down in this place, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the hood release. So that factory filter kit, it gives us air, fuel, engine oil, hydraulic filters, everything we needed to service that. Show them over there on the side. You'll see the engine oil filter is written on MSC. Again, that's going to stand for Mark's Supply Company. 122 hours that has been changed. Okay, no leaks, no anything of that nature in this tractor. It's 100%. Again, it's hard to argue with a tractor that still has full warranty and then is backed with emissions and powertrain warranty. Okay, you'll see up front here on the bucket's like brand new. Factory paint is still on the cutting edge. Beautiful bucket, OEM Kioti bucket to the tractor. 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Obviously here again, your auxiliary hydraulics are run to the front for running attachments. Grill guard. KL5520 quick disconnect front mount loader. This tractor is running what is called an R1 tire. Up front, 8x16s. All the little tits are still on them. Titan tire. In the rear, 13624s. Titan tire also. Again in the back, 3-point hitch. Cat 1 drawbar, you can see, has never been used. 540 PTO cover is on it. Again, I don't have that top link here. Like I said, if I get it, you will get it. But everything else is there and complete. Backhoe attachment. Everything is complete with it, such as the latching assembly here, the locking swivel pin, everything is there. And you can still see factory paint is on the bucket. I believe the rear bucket's an 18, and I think the front's a 72. I'll have that in the description for you. Tractor's going to have a folding style seat right here for the backhoe. Very well made. Folding ROPS. Head up there and I'll head up to the tractor. All greasable pins, which we, again, part of our service, went through, greased everything. Tractor's 100% original paint. I'm be so glad when spring comes. Guys, many of you guys know me, know I dislike winter, but it's part of living in Pennsylvania. So, we're going to show you here. I'm going to start it. You have no warning lights, 123 hours on this tractor. All the gauges work. I'm in neutral currently. Now, when you shift, that's going to go away. Turn signals, cruise control, four ways, horn. Up here is going to be your button for your front auxiliary hydraulics. Over here is going to be your up and down for 3-point PTO. This lever here has to be in the B selection for the backhoe to work. Forward and reverse treadle pedals. Over here you're going to have your range selector of low, medium, and high. And down here is going to be your four-wheel drive in and out and locking differential. We'll turn this back over to Ben. So I'm going to go ahead and take this time now. We're going to fire our tractor back up. We're going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll run it through all of its ranges and show you that it does, again, everything it's supposed to do. We'll start out in low range. This, again, is a very nice size tractor that you can get work done with, especially because of it having a backhoe attachment. You can see our four-wheel drive works, four-wheel drive in and out. So that's low range reverse, low range forward. I'm going to go ahead and select medium range now. Medium range reverse. We'll go ahead and go to high range. For front end loader work, I'm going to go out of high, just go into low range. Loader joystick has nice placement to it. I'm not even running full wide open there. I'm going to go ahead, lock my parking brake on. I'll move my selector to medium range. And I'm going to go ahead and dismount the tractor. And I'm going to hop right up on the backhoe. Now, you obviously can see I'm a little bit of a bigger guy. You can also see how easy that was for me to hop up on there. So this does have a lot of nice room on this tractor, especially if you're a bigger person. Again, backhoe is like brand new. It is. I doubt he dug a couple holes with it. I mean, it is honestly like a brand new piece. You can see I can pick myself up. I can swing myself left or right, being nice and easy. Backhoe has very good reach, which you can see. Very smooth. And I'm only running at the hook, but about 2,000 RPM, so I'm not even just a little over half throttle. Locking pin there, very simply placed. Locking pin for the boom there, now very simply placed. Outriggers back up, and I'll show you a nice thing they do on that. I'm going to go ahead and dismount the tractor. Seat folds right up. And one nice thing they have built into these, and I'll go ahead and just let that down here. So, they built a little lockout for the outriggers, which is nice. We'll move this one down just a touch. There it is. Can't fall down and hurt anything. They do have a cast steel H-link here in the back. SMV signs on the back. Very well built, nice heavy backhoe attachment. Parking brake, back off, back into medium range. This will kind of give you an idea. That's a high cube container. There you are. Kind of shows you that. Again, front auxiliary hydraulics. Guys, there it is. Tilt steering wheel, power steering obviously. Very, very nice. Very expensive tractor, new. Again, this is a DK4210 HST. Tractor is a 2021. And again, this tractor is under full bumper-to-bumper warranty until the 22nd of 2025, current year we're in. Guys, you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please let us know. If you need a trucking quote, let us know. We'll be glad to help you with that. Please understand, this is fully serviced. I don't play games here. We do have a lot of people in that game business. And what I mean by that, this is 100% what we say it is. It's why we take the time to do videos. It's why I probably took over 100 photos of this machine. I like nice, clean stuff. And just like in this situation, the gentleman bought this, wanted to run to a different product for what he was doing and suited his needs better. This is a very nice piece, and that gentleman took quite a hit. But endless to stay, very nice piece, a massive savings here compared to a new one. So you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Please go to our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking us out. Have a great day.